Ashwin, thank you so much for giving us your time. We know it's been a very busy last few weeks, and it's going to continue to be busy for you in the coming weeks. You're in another bubble right now, another quarantine. Fed up already, or still taking it as it comes?
No, not really. First of all, thanks for having me. And yeah, bubble, we have got used to it by now. So I think Syed Mushtaq Ali, we had two bubbles, and IPL there was one bubble, and so this should be the fourth bubble, and we are getting used to it. And I think it's a prerequisite before starting any tournament, the new normal, I should say.
What was your experience at the Syed Mushtaq? Personally, first, before I get into the team dynamics, how did you feel about the way you performed?
Really happy that we were able to cross the line this time after what happened last year. I think last year also we played really well. We were not able to cross the line last year. So this year I think we did really well. To win all the matches in the Syed Mushtaq Ali, to be flawless through the tournament and win the trophy was something which I cherished. Last year it really hurt us, and I think I played the last ball. I had to hit 3 runs of the last ball, and that was the first ball I faced.
But yes, yeah.
Yeah, so after playing so well all the matches and just not able to cross the line of the last ball really hurt me. To be honest, I've had sleepless nights after that. And I think, we lost to Karnataka in the one days as well, and also the first game in the Ranji Trophy as well. So it really hurt us. And so for me personally, when I came into Syed Mushtaq Ali this year, I really wanted to do something for the team and make sure that we win the Syed Mushtaq Ali this year. So that was, the final was a motivation to win the Syed Mushtaq Ali this year.
Obviously, have to ask you, there's so many people who speak about these key moments throughout the campaign. Some spoke about the first ever match because we were playing against, I think, Jharkhand, a very competitive T20 side. Some people talk about the quarterfinal match where you probably were cornered and you kind of pulled out and came out of that situation. For you personally, what was that one match that made you believe that yes, this can be it, and probably that brought you all together, or you felt this is the year that you would go all the way?
No, I think it all starts with the preparation. Yeah. I think the practice games which we had was really vital, because a few of us didn't have any games coming into the Syed Mushtaq Ali. A few guys played the IPL, but a few other guys had no match practice at all. Mm-hmm. So I think it started with the preparation in Chennai, where we had a few practice games. I think Dinesh, Karthik and all the support staff, the head coach and the assistant coach, they insisted that we have a lot of games. We play a lot of games before going into the Syed Mushtaq Ali, and we did manage to have the matches under lights, which was really a blessing. I think thanks to TNCA for that. I think that really helped us prepare, and it also, I mean, the way we started the tournament, as you said, the game against Jharkhand, we did manage to win comfortably. I think that was very important to start a tournament well. And also the roles which were clearly defined to each individual, and I think it made easier for us going into the tournament. And I think we played every game clinically, I would say, and we were tested in the quarterfinals, and the middle order, they were able to scrape it through and win the game for us. So that really made us believe that it was not about individuals, it was about the team, and each person putting their hand up when the team required, and I think we did really well.
Personally, for you, was there any key moment that you would still remember, going by your personal performance, Ashwin, that especially in Syed Mushtaq, that you will take back with you for a long time?
Yeah, I had a different role to play this year. Dinesh Karthik, he gave me overs. He wanted me to bowl in the death as well. So I had to bowl, at various sections of the game. And I think in the semi-finals I was able to get Arjit Gupta. He was playing really well, and I think Rajasthan started off really well, and in the last 6 overs we went only for 20-30 runs or something, and we managed to take 6 wickets, and I managed to get his wicket as well. So I think personally that would be my moment.
The other thing that was very heartwarming for a lot of us who were watching on the sidelines, Ashwin, particularly, was the post that you put up after the win. It was very, it was very emotional. Take us through those moments.
Yeah, it was something very unfortunate. My mom passed away, on December 30th, and it was a very tough moment for us as a family. And I think it was because of her that I started playing cricket. She encouraged me really well, and she was a strong woman, and it just rubbed onto me as well. And I thought that going to the Syed Mushtaq Ali, I need to do something for her. So that really charged me up. And it was also my father, my sister, and my wife who told me that I need to go play the tournament really well, because that would make her happy. So that was what was on my mind when I played the Syed Mushtaq Ali. And really happy that we were able to win, and I'm sure that she would have enjoyed it.
Just want your thoughts on some of the amazing videos that we were seeing. I think for us, because we weren't closer to the action, that was our connect to you as a team.
Yeah, so being in a bubble has its own advantage, because we're all together at all times.
Yeah.
So there are times when people just put up random music and they start dancing in their rooms. So that was a time when Master released, and we were all getting the vibe of it, and we all enjoyed the Vati coming song. And to be honest, we even practiced how we were going to celebrate after winning. So yeah, so the thing is, we decided that we were going to celebrate that way. And that's what we did.
There's this dressing room quiz that I have. So I'm going to ask you about a particular characteristic, and you have to tell me who fits the bill of that.
Yeah.
Right? It could be you, it could be your teammates, your call, okay? Who's most likely to be last on the team bus?
Not me. I'm sure that everyone must have told me.
Yes.
It's definitely not me. Thing is, I'm never late for the bus. I might be the last one to board the bus, but I'm never late.
No, you're never late. But the question is, who's likely to be the last on the bus?
Yeah, thing is, if the reporting time is at 7:30, I might be in the bus at 7:29. So it's just me. But there should be a tough competition between Jagdishan and Sai Kishore.
Yeah, those were the names as well. But why do you have a thing about? So Sai says, because he's been your roommate, of course, he says there's something about, maybe a belief or a supposition that you have to be in a certain time.
No, I don't know. It's just the way I'm programmed before going into the team bus. I don't know why, but I end up going there just a minute or two before, the bus actually starts leaving.
Is that in your IPL side as well? Do you do it when you're with the IPL team as well?
See, I do have a set of routines before I get outside my room. So, but I just make sure that I'm not late. So let's put it that way.
Any routines that you can share here, or you'd like to keep that to yourself?
Yeah, I would like to keep it with myself, because there is a lot which I need to be telling you. But it's just the way, I think every cricketer has their own routines. So something like that.
Yeah, fair enough. Most likely to be the life of the party. This is in terms of who probably will be cracking the jokes most of the time, whether it's in the dressing room or whether it's at the hotel or on the cricket field.
I think everybody has got a pretty sense of humor, but I would say Surya Prakash, I think, would fit the bill here. I think he's a very jovial person, and he's probably the life of the team.
Yeah, nice. Most likely to be found in the gym.
Gym. KB Arun Karthik, maybe.
Oh, okay, cool. Most likely to be first one for breakfast.
The first one for breakfast would actually be the fielding coach, Avinash, because actually I'm pretty early for breakfast, but whenever I go there, he's already before me, so I'm sure that he's the first one to the breakfast.
Yeah, obviously the answer would be different for everyone, no? Because I think you guys all go at different times. Now, I've got different answers for this question. Like a lot of people, like different, but it depends on when you go there and who you see, probably, and maybe, I guess.
Yeah. No, the thing is, I'm pretty early for breakfast. So he gets up really early and he goes for his early cup of coffee. And we have our early morning chat. So he's my morning buddy.
Okay, nice. Who's most likely to sit in the first row of the team bus?
First row of the team bus would be, I think, our assistant coach, Prasanna.
Where do you sit? I believe behind Dinesh.
I said, yeah, I'm behind Dinesh Karthik.
But where exactly? Do you always sit in the same place or do you like changing seats?
Yeah, we do. So basically, I think it's 3 to 4 rows from behind, from the last row.
Okay. So is that the case with everybody, or is there someone?
Yeah, most probably yes. Yes. I think we all have our own seats. We stick to that.
Okay. Most likely to capture a selfie.
Jay Kaushik.
See,
it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer.
This is the only question that has the same answer. No one else gave a different answer. This one.
Yeah.
Does he take pictures with all of you, or is it always just him? So
he does take pictures with us as well, but I'm sure that he's got millions of selfies of him.
Yeah. Most likely to prank a teammate.
Prank. Who's the prankster? Not sure, but everybody's got a lighter side.
Yeah.
Maybe our captain Dinesh Karthik.
Yeah, he's also quite a popular one in this. Not bad. Most likely to have the messiest quarantine room.
Messiest. Maybe it's a tough competition between Jagdishan and Surya Prakash.
Okay. Alright. Last one. Most likely to have binge watched all of Netflix and Amazon during quarantine.
I'm sure nobody's got any job to do during quarantine. Everybody must have binge watched everything. But our captain, I think he watches a lot of movies, and I go up to him to ask suggestions. So I would say Dinesh Karthik.
Yes, again a very popular choice. Thank you so much, Ashwin, and of course we wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thanks.
And thanks for giving us your time. Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks for having me, Rupa.